What is the best mattress for hip pain? If you're waking up with hip pain every morning, you're probably wondering what you can do to make your nights more comfortable. The right mattress can make a big difference, so let's figure out what to look for. First, it's essential to understand that hip pain can be exacerbated by a mattress that doesn't provide the right balance of support and pressure relief. You need a mattress that will contour to your body, especially around the hips, without letting you sink too deeply. One type of mattress that stands out is the hybrid mattress. These mattresses combine the best of both worlds, the support of inner spring coils and the pressure relief of foam layers. For example, the Helix Midnight Luxe is highly recommended because it offers excellent pressure relief and keeps your spine neutrally aligned. It has multiple layers of foam that contour to your body, making it comfortable for side and back sleepers alike. Another great option is the Saatva RX. This mattress is designed specifically for people with joint pain and features a unique construction of 5 layers, including foam and coils. It provides just enough lift to keep your spine aligned while offering deep pressure relief, which is key to reducing hip pain. When choosing a mattress, firmness is also crucial. A medium firm mattress, usually around a 6 on a firmness scale of 1 to 10, is often recommended for hip pain. This firmness level ensures you get the necessary support without feeling too soft or too hard. The height of the mattress is another factor to consider. It should be high enough that your knees are at a 90-degree angle when your feet are on the ground, making it easier to get in and out of bed without straining your hips. Edge support is also important, especially if you sleep near the edge of the bed. A mattress with good edge support will prevent you from feeling like you're going to roll off and will distribute your weight evenly. Finally, it's a good idea to consult with your healthcare provider before making a purchase. Hip pain can sometimes be a symptom of other issues, and your doctor can provide guidance on whether a new mattress is the right solution for you. In terms of cost, the best mattresses for hip pain can range from around $600 to $3,000 or more, depending on the brand, size, and materials. For instance, the Helix Midnight Luxe costs $1,899, but it comes with a 100-night trial period, which is a great way to test it out before committing. So if you're looking for a mattress that will help alleviate your hip pain, consider a hybrid mattress like the Helix Midnight Luxe or the Saatva RX. These mattresses offer the right combination of support and pressure relief to help you sleep more comfortably and wake up pain-free.